Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing a video of what the heck is this? Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a really mini pistol thingamajig. I'm not so sure if it's a pistol, it doesn't look like one, looks nothing like it. It's really tiny, it's red, you could do that. It works, see? You know, it could be useless sometimes, but really, look at it. It's awesome. This is a good gun. I know it could be useless, but I still use it. You over there!